The other, I guess, 5G use case that's out there is what we call ultra-reliable low latency. So think about the ability to control autonomous vehicles and robots, to support manufacturing, or to even control a vehicle of some type. This is a capability of 5G that's not existent in 4G or 3G, but in order to deliver that, it requires some changes in your DAS infrastructure to be able to accommodate it. The last kind of major use case in 5G that would prompt your change in technology has to do with machine type communications, or IoT type devices. Think of location-based services, or the ability to communicate with sensors to make decisions on, maybe it's a manufacturing application, maybe it's an application that has to do with building controls and automation. There's a lot of, I guess, features that 5G brings to the table that have to be implemented through your DAS, and those older DAS products don't always have the capability to do that.